Hey guys, double wide 6. Today I'm in the garage and this is a Genie garage door opener. It's not working, so I'll show you guys what it's doing. Try that again. A whole lot of nothing, a little bit of humming. I didn't look at it yet. I'm going to get the ladder out. I'm assuming it's a capacitor, so let me get the ladder, we'll take a look together. So I'm up here getting ready to unscrew this, and what I notice is some drips here, and I believe that's from an exploded capacitor. So we're going to pull this cover and we'll check. Hopefully that's what it is, because that should be a really easy fix. So I loosened up those screws. Got to find a spot to put this cover. Here's the capacitor. And you can see the capacitor is actually leaking. So the first thing I want to do is ground these things out, and we'll pull that capacitor out of there. And I think I'm going to take a capacitor from my other garage door and pop that in there and see if we can get this one running. And then I'll order the part. Okay, so I'm going to pull this out, and because these store a charge, you want to arc out the wire, so I'm just using a screwdriver here. So we'll arc everything out. So I was able to salvage a capacitor from the other garage door, and I'll order one on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. And we just want to tie this together with the orange clips on one end and the yellow on the other. So we'll hook this up. We'll plug it in and we'll see if it's fixed. Well, I got it all wrapped up and back together. We'll give it the good old college try. Well, seems like it's working well, and that capacitor was our problem. So anyhow, I'm double wide 6. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll put a couple links down below to the supplies you need to do a project like this. Thanks for watching, guys.